हमें सबसे पहले नाश्ता करना होगा। We must have breakfast first. We must have breakfast first. तुम्हें सच बोलना ही चाहिए। You must tell the truth. You must tell the truth. ये तो आपको अब तक पता चल ही गया होगा। You must have know that by now. You must have know that by now. तुम्हें उसकी बात सुननी ही पड़ेगी। You must have to listen her. You must have to listen her. तुम्हें ऐसा करना ही होगा। You must have to do this. You must have to do this. ये जरूर काम किया होगा। It must have worked. It must have worked. मैं उससे कहता हूँ कि उसे जरूर जाना चाहिए। I tell her she must go. I tell her she must go. आपको आराम करना ही चाहिए। You must have a rest. You must have a rest. तुम्हें कार चलाना सीखना ही चाहिए। You must learn to drive a car. You must learn to drive a car. आपको अपने बड़ों की आज्ञा का पालन करना ही चाहिए। You must obey your elders. You must obey your elders. आपको उसे कॉल करना ही चाहिए। You must call him. You must call him. तुम्हें वहां जाना ही चाहिए। You must go there. You must go there. आपको इस पर विश्वास करना ही होगा। You must believe that. You must believe that. वह जरूर थक गया होगा। He must be exhausted. He must be exhausted. उसे मेरे पास आना ही होगा। He must come to me. He must come to me. आपको इसे स्वीकार करना ही होगा। You must accept that. You must accept that. वह वही व्यक्ति होना चाहिए। It must be the same person. It must be the same person. उसके पास जरूर कोई योजना होगी। He must have a plan. He must have a plan. उन्हें नियमों का पालन करना ही चाहिए। They must follow the rules. They must follow the rules. हमें उसकी शादी में जरूर जाना चाहिए। We must attend his wedding. We must attend his wedding. आपको उस नौकरी के लिए आवेदन करना ही चाहिए। You must apply for that job. You must apply for that job. तुम्हें उसके साथ जाना ही चाहिए। You must go with him. You must go with him. कल रात जरूर बारिश हुई होगी। It must have rained last night. It must have rained last night. उसे यह कमरा साफ करना ही होगा। She must clean this room. She must clean this room. अब हमें निकलना ही होगा। We must be leaving now. We must be leaving now. तुम्हें कुछ न कुछ अवश्य खाना चाहिए। You must eat something. You must eat something. वह जरूर टीवी देख रही होगी। She must be watching TV. She must be watching TV. मेरा कुछ वजन अवश्य कम हो गया होगा। I must have lost some weight. I must have lost some weight. वह जरूर बगीचे में पानी दे रहा होगा। He must be watering the garden. He must be watering the garden. वो जरूर आ रही होगी। She must be coming. She must be coming. बाहर जाने से पहले तुम्हें अपना होमवर्क पूरा करना ही होगा। You must finish your homework before you go outside. You must finish your homework before you go outside. उसे अपने माता पिता की सलाह अवश्य सुननी चाहिए। She must listen to her parents' advice. She must listen to her parents' advice. आपको शिक्षक की बात अवश्य सुननी चाहिए। You must listen to the teacher. You must listen to the teacher. वो जरूर मोबाइल में गेम खेल रहा होगा। He must be playing a game on mobile. He must be playing a game on mobile. तुम्हें जरूर भूख लगी होगी। You must be hungry. You must be hungry. तुम्हें आना ही होगा। You must come. You must come. आपको सीट बेल्ट अवश्य पहनना चाहिए। You must wear a seat belt. You must wear a seat belt. कोई तो मारा गया होगा। Someone must have been killed. Someone must have been killed. जरूर बारिश हो रही होगी। It must be raining. It must be raining. वो जरूर सो रही होगी। She must be sleeping. She must be sleeping. वो घर पर ही होगी। She must be at home. She must be at home. वो जरूर काम कर रहा होगा। He must be working. He must be working. मैंने जरूर कुछ नजरअंदाज किया होगा। I must have overlooked something. I must have overlooked something. आप जरूर वीडियो देख रहे होंगे। You must be watching the video. You must be watching the video.